Welcome to J&J's test video of SVLE375, a 97 Land Cruiser, LX450, non-locking differentials with a sunroof, 171,000 miles, wheels are toast, brake lights cracked, brake pedals soft, has just enough rust to be annoying. What else can I say? Runs really good though. The downpipe is jacked up where that 2 goes into 1 by the wheel well. The struts might be working now. They weren't working earlier. Runs pretty good. There's your damage. Windows work, mirrors work, but they're a little loose. This guy had a Lego stuck down in there, which was a good idea. Down, over, other side works. Down, up, there you go. Sunroof works. Tilts. Oh, come on. Which way does it go? I don't have it all the way closed. There we go. Ta-da! Alright. Tape deck works. Radio works. Heater controls work. Alright, let's go ahead and drive it around. There you go. 175. Not 171, 175. Sound of real metal. The seat tracks are bad like every other 80 series. Can't get in here very well. Ooh. Let's turn that heater control off. Yeah, and the brakes are super soft. Alright, so we're in high. Ooh, soft, sketchy. Oil pressure's good. Climb up a little thing. Let's see if we can do that. Ooh, there's new stuff. They add stuff now and then to the little pile up there. There you go. I never really, the transfer cases never go bad. There you go. Drive down here. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.